I'm standing in a field of diamonds. There's just dew. Here it is, the middle of the afternoon. And the moisture from last night just left a fabulous light show on the blades of grass and clover, twinkling all around us all day. I just can't get enough of it. I'm standing in a field of diamonds, dewy diamonds, kissed by Mother Nature. Look at that. Look at that. It's just stunning. I might have to do some painting. It's just fantastic. I love Mother Nature. Anyway, one more shot of our Snoopy dog, because he's just so photogenic. Aren't you there, buddy? Love you. Bye.